Namaste. Today we will check what's all these pencils about. Okay, so they are supposed to be something magic colored pencils, but I recently did a test of some multi-lead pencils from same brand Kohinoor. So I am not sure what is different about them. I will put a link to that video if you have not yet seen, and then you can compare for yourself. Before I tear this open, mm, this is saying multi-mix lead blends 3 colors, twist your wrist and the color pattern is different. Okay, so I am guessing it's almost the same as the other ones which I had. I don't know where I kept them, I can't find them. I can't believe, okay. Got it. Yeah, so they are probably similar to these, but let's see. And these are, I'm trying to see where, yeah, they are also made in Czech Republic. The other ones were also made in Czech Republic. So let's see. Despite it having a nice perforation in between, I had to go and tear it in such an awful way. Anyways, come on. Okay, so let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That's a very odd number. I would have expected them to have either 6 or 3. 5 is a very odd number. However, whereas I found that all the pencils in this pack had the same lead combinations, I think each of these have different lead combinations. You can see. Okay, so I think the color on the barrel is what indicates the colors that are there in the lead. So this one I expect to have a greenish yellow and red, but frankly I can see only 2 colors, red and yellow. So maybe the green is a combination of that. Then on the pencil itself it's written 160 and then there is some sort of a number. I don't know what that means. And it's written Kohinoor Hardmuth Magic. I think, I'm not sure what Hardmuth means. Maybe it's hard lead or something like that. Anyways, moving on to the next one. This is the combination that it's having. So this one is having blue, red and yellow, which is exactly the colors that were there in this. So I'm not very excited about this one. For me it's a duplicate, unless there's something different, like the lead texture is different or something like that, but I seriously doubt that. Okay, is the number the same? No, also the number here is different. It's 280. On this one it was 160. So this one is having 150. This is having a bit more vibrant set of colors. So red, blue, and there's actually white in this. I'm very intrigued how white is going to look, because I'm testing this on white paper, but I will pull out a book which has white, black sheet also, because I would really love to see how these look on black sheet. Okay, and then this one is having the number 280 and then there's a digit 2, so I believe it's a variation of 280. And this one is having a brown type of shade, and then there's yellow and I don't know, yeah, there's brown, there's yellow and there's blue. Okay, and then this is the last one, which is having 140 and then a 6 written on it. I really love this barrel. It's so shiny, like a starry night, black with silver. Actually, not silver, these are multicolored rainbow spots. I think you can see it there. Trying to get the light to capture it properly. And then this is indeed a rainbow colored barrel. See, it's beautiful. So let's do one thing. Let us check how they feel when we put them on paper. So this is the one with the black barrel. When I'm just coloring two squares, it's not making much difference, so I'll try to turn it, and that's the result that I get. I will do a little more other experimentation also, don't think that's all I'm going to do. And then if I do this, okay, this is the other one. Texture wise, they are the same that I felt when I was doing a check on these ones. So they are the same. It looks like, because see, it's written the same thing. Okay, the only thing different is the size of this barrel. This is quite thick. You can see it's almost as thick as my thumb. And I think when I ordered them because it was written jumbo somewhere on internet. But believe me, they are not uncomfortable to hold. They are not heavy. They are actually very light, given that they are so thick. So let's do one thing. Let's see how they look when we draw a little more than just one line, or yeah. So that is with the pencil, which is numbered 2802. That zero is not even visible there now. Then let's check this one. The problem is you need to keep on twisting the pencil if you need to get the different shades, and I will need to get used to that. In this one I'm not able to get the white anywhere, so I'm not sure if it's not showing because it's white, or I'm not able to turn it well. This one is 150. Now let's try this one, which is 280. So this is the only pencil where I am not having to really turn it a lot to get the different colors. It's more or less automatic. So this is the 280. Now let's try this one. This is the 160. Yeah, for me, I think this is the least exciting, because even though I'm turning, the fact is that I think the colors are so close to each other, like they are similar, that you cannot really see much difference in them. So this one is 160. Like, see, there's not much difference. And then last is my favorite barrel. At least the barrel is my favorite. I don't know how it will be. Okay. Yes, this definitely has a lot more variety in the leads. You can clearly see the difference, and this pencil is called, or rather numbered, 140. and then 6. See, you can see it actually wrote down in multiple colors. So, and these are more fluorescent, I think so. This is also multicolored, but this is like more regular. These are more darker shades. This one is my least favorite. I'll say this and this I liked really. Uh, so I don't know if there's something else I can experiment this with. I'm not really very good at drawing, but let's see. Uh, I'll do my typical uh, flower, the only one which I know how to draw, and that too very badly. Okay, now let's try to. So there's only one color which came out of this. Let's try turning it. No, it's the same. So let's try with another pencil if we can get something different. Yeah, this one, if I'm twisting it around a little bit, I can get something different. Let's try this one. Oh, this one is, it's not even laying down. I think it's because I'm getting the white spot. So yeah, this one is the worst if you want to lay down on a big area. Okay, by far the worst till now. This came out like more or less yellow. Let's see. Okay, so if I twist it, it is indeed giving me some different color. Okay, that is how it's looking. Let's see what happens if we blend these. So oh, they are blending quite nicely. But they seem to be giving out a bit of a dust. See this? Yeah. There. Let's try blending these darker ones. Let's see if we get a different color combination. You can actually see the color lifting and moving around with the blender. So I'll say these are very nice if you want to experiment with multicolored blending. Yeah. Let's try blending the circles that we had originally drawn. That looks good. Let's try this one. See that? Can you actually see the pigment actually moves around? Very nice. I think if you use them on larger areas and then blend them, they will really look very nice. Gives the effect as if you have done some sort of a color blending without actually having to do that. So let's try. This is the circle with the most contrasting colors. So let's see how it looks when we finish blending it. There. I think it looks quite nice and something different. Not a color combination I still prefer the 150. Let's check this one, which has the least amount of variations. Wow. This actually looks the best after the blending. Let me see if I can hold it closer. See? Now let's try the last one. I'll say this is having the least effect as far as blending is concerned. I like how this one looks and I like how this one looks after the blending. So that's it for this video. Oh no, wait, I think I need to check how these look on black paper, right? Let me see if I can find a book which has a black sheet in it. So I've got this one, Jade Summer book, and let's just select a random black sheet. This is just out of curiosity to see how these pencils look on black. This one is the 2802. Then this one, this one is the 160. This is 280 and it's hardly visible. And then let's try this one. Yeah, here the white is more visible than the other colors. This one I was not able to guess that there was a white on the white paper. 150. And then finally my favorite, glittering. This is 140 with a 6. So let's check. Yeah, this looks really nice. Yeah, so that's how it looks on the black paper. So these are the pencils, and if you like doing funky things like me, Go ahead and buy them and go crazy. These are Kohinoor Magic Jumbo pencils, as far as I remember, was what in the title when I purchased them. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Mm, if you did not, you can feel free to leave a dislike button and a comment giving me suggestions to make better videos. If you wish to do so, please do subscribe if you have not yet done so. Thanks for stopping by. Have a nice day. Bye.